you dräneste Moses. We passed upon the steel. Spoke I wasn't there, although I wasn't there. Said I was his friend, which came as some surprise. I spoke into his eyes, I thought you, not me. We never lost control. I often shook his hand, staying my way back home. I searched for years and years I roamed against this fear. And all the million years I must have died alone, a long, long time ago. Oh no, with a man who sold the boat. Oh no, not me. We never lost control. Your face to face with a man who sold